On the Home tab, select New Window to open another view of the same data. This allows different parts of the same file to be viewed and edited at once. Also select Arrange All to arrange multiple open Excel documents on the screen, such as all of them horizontal, or all of them vertical, or all of them in a cascaded fashion, like so. Each of these documents can then be selected and moved by their title bar. Use the maximize, minimize, and close icons in the upper right of the window for each document. Selecting a row and then clicking Split on the View tab also allows information to be viewed within the same document. Unsplit removes that. Splits work both horizontally and vertically.